Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're looking to make a PDF of photos on your Android phone, there are a few different ways to do it. I'll walk you through the method I like to use along with some other options. First, I like to start by using a collage maker or a layout app, which you can download from the Google Play Store. I don't have a specific favorite since most of them do the job, but some apps may have ads or watermarks, so take a moment to find one that works best for you. Using this app, you can combine and edit multiple photos in a way that looks clean and professional. Once you're happy with the layout, simply save the image to your gallery. Now, to turn that image into a PDF, open the Photos app on your device and locate the saved collage. Tap the three-dot menu for more options, then select Print. Instead of choosing a real printer, look for the Save as PDF option. This will generate a PDF file from the image without actually printing anything. The only downside is that the file may be formatted in a standard print paper size, which might not always match the aspect ratio of your photo. If you want more control over the PDF formatting, you can use a dedicated PDF converter app from the Play Store. There are many options that let you convert photos to PDFs with custom sizes, layouts, and additional settings. Another alternative is to use an online PDF converter. Just upload your photo to a website that offers image to PDF conversion and then download the final file. And that's it. Now you know how to convert photos to PDFs on Android using different methods. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.